Hello children, let us continue with our chapter statistic with part 2. In the previous part we have seen the introduction of statistic with all the types of frequency distribution table, that is group frequency tables, ungroup frequency table and the terms related to that. So today we will continue with our exercise 14.2. Yes, so in this 14.2 we have already completed first 5 questions in our live session. So today we will continue with the next one. See the exercise 14.2, question number 6. 3 coins were tossed 30 times simultaneously. Each time the number of heads occurs was noted down as follows. So it is 0, 1, 2, the data is given and prepare the frequency distribution table for the given data. So what you will do, you will draw the 3 columns. First column will be what? It is a classes. Yes, the coin toss, the number of times the coin tossed. Second column is tally mark and third column is frequency. So you can see in a given data, the lowest value is 0 and the highest is 3. So your classes will come as an ungrouped frequency table, that is 0, 1, 2 and 3. Just see the table, cut one value and put the tally marks in your table. Solve all the sums. Yes, solve this sum and then check the answer from my next slide. So check the answer over here. So coin toss, your classes will be 0, 1, 2, 3. Tally marks is the second column. By using data, put the tally mark and write the frequency. Just check your answer whether you are getting the same frequency or not. So for 0, frequency is 6. For 1, frequency is 10. 2, frequency is 9. And 3, frequency is 5. That means what is the meaning of that? 10 times the coin is tossed, so you will get it as 1. Yes, so like that way you have to remember, correct? And I think all of you remember how to put the tally marks. The 4 you will count it as a straight line and the 5th one as a slant height. So total frequency is 30. Yes, so 30 times the coin is tossed, that's why. So check your answer. Now see the next sum. Question number 7. The value of pi up to 50 decimal places is given below. You can see such a big number, decimal number, 3.14159265358 and so on. Correct? So first question is what? Make a frequency distribution table of digits from 0 to 9 after the decimal point. What are the most and the least frequently occurring digits? So now you know that after the number 3, that means after the decimal point, the digits are between 0 to 9. Correct? So what will be your classes? The classes will be the digits, that is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Use this data and put the tally marks. So can start with the 1, put the tally mark, then 4 in front of 4, put the tally marks accordingly. You complete that table and check the frequency answer from my next slide. So you can check the answer. 0 is occurring 2 times, 1 5 times, 2 digit is occurring, that is 5 times, number 3 occurs 8 times, 4 4 times, 5 5 times, 6 4 times, 7 4 times, 8 5 times, and the digit number is occurring in that decimal place is 8 times. Tally marks is also important. Just 4 points you can see for the number 1. So you can see over here 4 under the frequency are getting 5. Therefore 1, 2, 3, 4 and the 5th line is a cross line. Okay, the total frequency is 50. So check your answer. If your any one digit is also wrong, the whole answer will go wrong. So while solving, be concentrate on your digits and then put the tally marks. Okay, see the next question now. Yes, Now that is the question number 1 is done. Now what is the next second part of that question? If you remember, which digit occurs maximum times? Can you see in data? Yes, a number 9, you can see it is occurring 8 times, and number 3 is occurring 8 times. So what is which digit occurs the maximum times? That is 3 and 9. And which number occurs the least time? You can see over here, it is 2. Frequency is given for the digit 0, so that means 0 is a digit which occurs least time. That is the second part of this question. So write it down the answer here. Yes, it can be observed from the above table that the least frequency is 2 of digit 0. That means the number 0 occurs only 2 times in that data, and the maximum frequency is 8 of 3 and 9. That means a number 3 and 9, that is digit 3 and 9 occurs 8 times, which is a maximum times. So therefore the most frequently occurring digits are 3 and 9, and the least frequently occurring digit is 0. So this is the second part of your question. Now continue with the next sum. The 30 children were asked about the number of hours they watched TV programs in the previous week. The results are found as follows. Okay, 1 hour, 6 hours, 2, 3, 5, 1, 2. So these all are nothing but the number of hours. So total 30 digits you can see over here means what? There are 30 children are there who are using the TV program. How many hours they are you are watching that data is given over here. So first question is what? Make the group frequency distribution table for this data, taking the class width as 5, and one of the class interval is 5 to 10. So 5 to 10, 10 to 15, like this way we have to take the classes. Check your answer. 0 to 5, 5 to 10, 10 to 15 and 15 to 20, and you will get the frequency here as 10, 3, 5 and 2. First of all, you solve this sum by yourself from the textbook and then check your answer from this slide. Okay, now what is the second part of this question? How many children watch the television for 15 or more hours a week? So 15 or more than that is nothing but, you can see over here, it is 2. Yes, there are 2 children who are watching the TV 15 hours or more than that. Okay, so this is your answer. That is a number of children who watch the TV for 15 or more hours per week is 2. There are 2 children in a class interval 15 to 20. So first of all, again I will repeat, solve yourself your sum and check the answer. See the next one. A company manufactures a car batteries of a particular type that lives in years. Of 40 such batteries were recorded as follows. So the data is given. Construct a group frequency table for this data using the class interval of size 0.5 starting from the interval 2 to 2.5. So always, again I will repeat here, always in the given sum they will give the class interval or a class size, and according to that only you have to take the class size. You can't take it with your own. Always they will give you in a question. So if you use it any other class intervals or a class width is any different, so if you take 2 to 3, 3 to 4, maybe your according to your classes the frequency will be same, but you will get 0 for that. So read the question carefully and then take the class intervals. Now check the answer. Life of the batteries in years, it is given as classes, that is 2 to 2.5, 2.5 to 3, 3 to 3.5, 3.5 to 4, 4 to 4.5, 4.5 to 5, 2, 6, 14, 11, 4 and 3. Is it correct? Yes. So write the total also, and this answer you just again solve it by yourself and check the frequency. So here we are completed with our exercise 14.2. Now most important point I would like to tell you here for this chapter, that is in 14th chapter 14.1 is not so important, that is not important exam point of view. 14.2 full exercise is completed. 14.3 and 14.4 mark it as deleted. Again I will repeat, 14.3 and 14.4 exercise is deleted. So from this chapter only 14.2 is there. Is it clear to all of you? So this type of deleted portion will not be shown in your portion paper. For that you just check your all the videos properly, as well as in revision video we will again repeat whatever the part is deleted from each chapter. So watch all the videos properly as well as attend the live session, so that you will get to know which portion is deleted, what will be the portion for final exam. Everything will be shared to you in this video as well as in live session. Hope this is clear to all of you. So here we are completed with our chapter statistic. Now next period we will start with our chapter probability. Till that, thank you so much.